Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a head-to-head showdown between the iRobot Roomba J7 and the XIEBro robot vacuum. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, we have the Roomba J7. Priced at a whopping $599. Yes, you heard that right. For that price, it better cook me dinner and tuck me in at night. On the other side, we have the XIEBro robot vacuum, coming in at a much friendlier $269. With that kind of savings, you could buy yourself a small island, or at least a really nice dinner. Now let's talk about cleaning features. The Roomba J7 is like the Tesla of robot vacuums. It cleans when and where you want, thanks to its imprint smart mapping. You can schedule which rooms to clean and even set keep out zones. It's basically a well-trained pet that doesn't shed or bark. The XIEBro, on the other hand, is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. It's got a 250 milliliters dust box and 200 milliliters water tank. So not only does it vacuum, but it also mops your floors. It's like having a vacuum with a side hustle. More bang for your buck, right? Roomba J7 gives you the luxury to set it to clean automatically when you're away. So you come back to a spotless home without lifting a finger. It's like having a maid that doesn't gossip. XIEBro's got some tricks up its sleeve too. With the Tuya Smart app, you can control this bad boy through your phone, remote, or even your voice. Yes, you can boss it around like it's your minion. And it listens. Just make sure you're on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not 5G. It's picky like that. Roomba J7 is all about not getting hung up and just getting the job done. Advanced sensors, cliff detect and whatnot. It's like a ninja vacuum. You won't even notice it's there. XIEBro, however, comes with a maximum suction power of 1,600 pascals and 3 levels of suction adjustment. It's like a vacuum on steroids, and it's got a carpet booster function. It's practically the Arnold Schwarzenegger of robot vacuums. Roomba J7 doesn't flaunt its battery life much, but we know it's reliable. It's like that dependable friend who always shows up when you need them. XIEBro, however, boasts a 100-minute runtime in quiet mode and automatically charges itself when the battery is low. It's like having a teenager that actually does their chores without being asked. A miracle, right? According to Amazon reviews, the iRobot Roomba J7 is praised for its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition, making it efficient at cleaning around objects without getting stuck. Reviewers also appreciate its ability to navigate multiple rooms and its helpful customer service. On the other hand, the XIEBro robot vacuum is commended for its strong suction power, ability to avoid obstacles, and cost-effectiveness. However, some reviewers have noted issues with it getting stuck and maintenance concerns. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba J7, the Tesla of robot vacuums, versus the XIEBro, the multitasking, budget-friendly powerhouse. Whether you want to splurge or save, both these vacuums have got something to offer. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're leaning towards. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.